How to check Citi or Barclays AAdvantage miles balance. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can check Citi or Barclays AAdvantage miles balance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First thing that you'll need to do is simply search for American Airlines AAdvantage. So search for that. And after you search for that, what you'll then need to do is head over to their website. So you can head over to their website. What we want to do from here is simply log in into our account. So you can head over to the login page. You can head over to the use miles, or basically you can also add in here check miles. And after you do that, you will be directly prompted to the page where you can check the miles. But after you're here, you will need to log in into your account. So to log in into your account, just tap on this login button. And after you tap on it, you'll basically be prompted to the very same website that we were previously on. And all you have to do is type in your AAdvantage username and then your password. Then simply tap on login. And after you log in, you can then check all of your miles and mileage, everything, including your rewards and stuff. And that's how you do it. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.